In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch ChatGPT models. It's a quick and straightforward process, but being familiar with each step can really help ease you through the journey. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. We recommend using either Chrome, Firefox, or Edge for the smoothest experience. Now, head over to Google by typing in Google in your browser's search bar, or you can enter the address directly if you're not on the homepage already. Once you're there, you'll find yourself in a familiar place with the Google search bar ready for you to input a query. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT. This will direct you toward various links, but the one you're specifically looking for is the ChatGPT website itself. It should be one of the top search results. Click on the link that points to the ChatGPT website. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just look for the link that specifically mentions ChatGPT or has the chat.openai.com domain. Alright, once you've clicked on it, the website should open up. You might have to log in if you haven't done so already. Commonly, it'll prompt you to enter your username and password. Just make sure your credentials are ready. Once logged in, you'll notice a neat, sleek interface. It's something many of us have become accustomed to, a simple yet powerful platform that allows you to interact with AI models. Now here's where the magic happens. Look toward the upper left corner of the website interface. You'll see a ChatGPT icon, along with a downward-facing arrow next to it. This particular area of the page is your key to accessing the different models available. When you click on this arrow, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll have the opportunity to select from various model options that ChatGPT has to offer. These models differ in their capabilities and may be tailored to handle different types of queries or tasks. Selecting the right model is essential to getting the best responses for your specific needs. So take a moment to review which options are available to you and choose the one that seems best suited for the kind of interaction you're aiming for. And there you have it. You're all set to switch between ChatGPT models whenever needed. Remember, accessing the right model can greatly enhance your user experience, and it really opens up a world of possibilities with AI. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful for you. Thanks for following along, and happy exploring with ChatGPT.